everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you step by step how I installed and styled this lace front wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So this unit is from Ywigs. I received a 22-inch 13 by 6 loose deep wave lace front wig, and I will have a link down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check them out. Showing you how everything looked when I first received it, and I'm also showing you the construction of the wig. So here I'm showing you the hairline. As you can see, the hairline is already pre-plucked, so you don't have to do much to it. And I'm also showing you their new lace. And on their website, they call this lace Undetectable Skin Melt Lace. So I did bleach the knots a little bit more to my liking, and here I'm showing you how I added a little bit of makeup. So now I'm about to apply my wig, and all I'm doing is placing the wig on, making sure it's fitting to my liking, and then I'm taking my comb and I'm sectioning off the extra lace by my ears, and then I'm taking my scissors and I'm removing the extra lace. So now I'm about to apply my unit, and I'm taking my sea breeze and I'm wiping off any makeup or oils that I may have on my skin. So since I have sensitive skin, I'm applying my skin protector. So today I'm using my Extreme Hold Lace Glue, and I will have a link down below in the description bar. So all I'm doing is applying one layer going across, and then I'm taking my popsicle stick and I'm smoothing it out. And then once it's turned clear, I'm applying another layer and smoothing it out again. And then once that layer is clear, I'm applying my lace. Next, I'm taking out some hair in the front for my baby hair, and then I'm taking my tweezers and I'm thinning it out just a little bit. applying my new lace melting band, and while that sit for about 10 or 15 minutes, I'm going to style my wig. And today I want a middle part. And right here is when I realized my part was not in the middle. I was so mad. But anyway, this is the final look, and I really like this wig. So I will leave all the links down below in the description bar, so you can go ahead and check them out. And here are some pictures that I took with my phone, because you already know my camera do no justice, okay? So yeah, so I will leave a link down below in the description bar, so you can go ahead and check Ywigs out. Drop a comment down below, tell me what you think of this unit. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.